going to see how we can install SQL Developer, Oracle SQL Developer. So first of all, I have added this link in my description. You can follow this link to download Oracle 11G Express Edition. Okay, then when you click on download, it will going to download and click on download anyway. So you can select any location. I already have installed this, so I don't install again. So after installing, you need to go to that particular file. So here is mine, but you will have a zip file here, 11 express 11g. So what you will do, right click and extract it, extract here. Okay, then after extraction, you will have this folder. Go to this folder and this, go to setup and click on setup. First of all, we will install Oracle 11G Express Edition and we'll create an account, and then we will install Oracle SQL Developer. Okay, click on next, click on I accept the agreement. You might need to scroll down. Next, and here you can browse a location or whatever location it is already showing. You can click on this, go to next, and here you will have to create a password, and this password uh, you need to don't forget this password, because we will need it once we download the SQL Developer. We will need this password to connect to the database. So okay, then go to next and install. After this installation, let it first complete. After this installation, I'll go to Oracle SQL Developer. Okay, go to this link, and then here we have SQL Developer JDK 11 included. So I will download this for my Windows 10 application, for my Windows 10 machine. So I already have downloaded, but what you need to do is to click on download, and if you don't have already an account, it will ask for an account, and with the basic information you can input the basic information there and click on download. Once you click on download, it will going to download into your system, and I have installed it here, downloaded in this folder. So let me show you. I have it here, SQL Developer, this one. So let me see the installation. The 11 Oracle 11G Express Edition installation has been completed. So let me close it and go to SQL Developer. So in the same way, you will get the zip file. You'll need to extract it, and then when you open this folder, go to SQL Developer, and you will have SQL Developer here application. Go to this. I was facing the issue while connecting to the database, so I thought I should record a video to help others. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Okay, so we are here. Welcome. So first of all, what I will going to do is to create a connection. Go to here, plus sign, and here you can give it a name. Wait a minute. You can give it a name, sysdba, and the same we can give it a username, and now the same password which we have chosen while downloading the 11G. So I will, as I said, we need to remember the password. Okay, after the password, you need to go to here, and everything is done. Let's test it. Okay, let's see. I'll put the XE, and now it seems the installation is complete. Okay, it has just completed now. Now let me test it. Yeah, so status is success, so that means our connection is ready. So now you can use this database. This was everything for this video. I hope you will like and share this video. Here we have a database. Thank you so much for watching the video.